Hey everybody, I am Kathie's Heart, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe button. So I am going to show you what I have grown in my little balcony garden. So first we are looking at my blueberry bush, and I have actually got some blueberries, been picking blueberries off of there, and I am really excited about that. And next we are looking at my turnip greens. I didn't really thin those out, neither did I. And the next ones you're looking at is my cabbage. I didn't thin them out, so I probably won't get no cabbages, but I'm just so excited about seeing stuff grow. I just didn't thin things out the way I should. But next we are looking at my tomato plant, and I was about to give up, but then I said, Lord Jesus, I got tomatoes growing, and since I made this video, I got a whole bunch of tomatoes on my plant now. And we are looking at, there's some chives there. And next I have my mandarin tree. It's a cute little tree. I had some mandarins on it at first, but it got too hot too quickly, and the fruit I had on there fell off. But next year. And let's see what else we got. I got a grapefruit tree. It's pretty happy, a pink grapefruit. The leaves are growing, and it's even grown since I made this video. It seems to be pretty happy, so I'm happy with that. No fruit this year though. And let's see, what do we got next? Oh, those are my cucumbers, and they are definitely not happy. They're not really happy. And those are some eggplants. They're growing pretty slow. And next, that is, I believe, watermelon and cantaloupe. And I have some pole beans. They're not very happy, but I also had some purple string beans. Not those, but there's some other purple string beans that started coming, and they seem to be doing better. And there is my little pomegranate tree slash bush, and it's pretty happy. And that's some more tomato plant over there. Let's see. And then there's some lavender. And next I have some more. There's bell peppers and more tomato plant. Ooh, I have a lot of tomato plants. And then I have some collard greens that went to seed. I'm going to let those dry out, and so I can get the seeds from them. And then I have some kale there. I should have thinned that out better. And then there's carrots. On my other video, I pulled a couple of carrots just to see, let my grandson see, but they were kind of little, but still. And then I got another blueberry bush there. So maybe next year I'll get some blueberries on that. And last but not, wait, there's one more. Then we have some flowers there. That's my flower pot. And next, and last but not least, are my green onions. And my son likes to cut those off and cook with them, and they keep regrowing, which is really awesome. Now see, I grew so much stuff on my little patio, and I was just shocked, and I'm shocked and happy. Now, I've made a lot of mistakes this year, but I've learned so much more. So if I've encouraged you to have a garden, I want you to come on back, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and tell your friends to come on over and check out Kathie's Heart. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.